Hello and welcome to my video, and in this video I'll show you how you can see which SQL queries are being running on the background of the Laravel application. So this is a simple Laravel application just to show you how you can see the background queries. So in this project I have product name and product price. So this is being fetched from MySQL database. If you are familiar with core PHP and MySQL, you might know that we write SQL queries by our own. But if we are using any framework like Laravel or Coordinator, then we don't write the actual queries. We just run the eloquent methods to fetch the data. But the problem is that when we are making a big project, working on a big project, then we need to optimize the queries. There are tons of packages which you can install just to see which queries are being running on the background, but in this video I will show you a very simple solution for that. So I have already set up a project, and in this project first we will make a route. So in this route we will make a get route to the product page, and I have a product controller as well. I'll show you what's inside this product database. So we have simple name and price column, and I'll show you a database that we have these three products: pant, shirt and tie. So these are the pricing in dollars. Okay, so moving ahead, we are in the product controller. First make a index method, then inside the methods we are using this method to call to fetch all the products. As you see, we don't actually write the queries. So next, I'll show all the products inside this view, and in this view I have a simple for each loop, and it will show me all the products which are in the database. Okay, so if I go back and I refresh the page, I'll see that I have these three products in my database. So I want to see which queries are being running on the background. So for this, you just need to update one file, which is app service provider, which is inside the app folder, and inside the app folder we have providers, and inside providers we have app service providers. So first you will need to include a line on the top, which is this use illuminate support facets db, and inside this register method you will need to add a method to listen the database. And in this database what we will do is that we will see the real-time queries being running in this variable. Next we have bindings. I'll show you what are these in next few minutes. And we have the time which took to execute the query. So next we will echo all the information on the page. So this is the query, this is bindings, and this is the execution time. Just save it and go to your web page, refresh the page. So this will show you this query was running on the background. Select from products. There is no bindings. I'll show you what are these, and the execution time is 2.38 milliseconds. As I refresh, you can see the updated data from the database. Okay, so let's write a complex query and see how it works. So we have products all, and I want to so let's say I want to fetch all products where name is what? Name is spent, and get all the data where the name is spent. Save it and refresh the page. So here we have the updated query which says select from products where name equal to question mark, and the question mark is spent, and execution time is 2.27 milliseconds. So we have this information based on this query. This is really very important if you are working on a big project. Then the page load time is very crucial. For now this is excellent, but as we grow the application, as we grow the project, we are more concerned about the load time of the project. So we need to keep track on which queries are being running and how we can optimize these queries. So let's say I want to add another step here, and I want to fetch all the products which have a character, so name like, and in the like query percentage and a. So this query means that select all the products where name includes a character a, and get to fetch all the products. Save it and let's see it. Where name, select static from products where name like this a, and we have no products which have a. Let's try another character. Let's check e and then refresh it. So we have two products which have e here and here. On the top you can see which queries are being running, and then I will add another method, another function which is order by, and I want to order by name, and ASC in ascending order. So let's see how it goes. Select from products where name like question mark, order by name, ASC. So this is a very handy tool, and when you are okay with the query which is being running on the background, you can just go there and comment these lines and refresh the page. Everything is gone. So you don't need to install any additional package which will burdenize your project. You just need a few lines to do that. Thanks for watching my video.